Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new Philips Pedestal fan. It's a 3000 series. It's a new fan. It can also be controlled by mobile apps provided by Philips. So recently I ordered it online directly from Philips website. So it takes almost 1 week to deliver it to my home address. As you can see, the box is purely from Philips, and here they illustrate some pictures of the fan and its DHL address. And here these are the functions of the fan, different functions in the side of the box. So it's made by Philips Netherlands. So let's open it. So inside, as usual, the wrench and user guide. And this is the one of the part. I hope this is stand. So this is the propeller with metal cover. Yes, so that's the propeller. We need to fix it. We need to assemble it all together. And I think, wow, it's so heavy. I think this is the base. Yeah, it's correct. So this is the base and it's very heavy. It's maybe 2 or 2.5 kilo, and it should be heavy, otherwise the fan will be down by chance. And what's more inside? little bit hard to bring out from the box. And for me it's a bit challenging since I am capturing the video in one hand and unboxing it in another hand. Yeah, so yes, so finally, so this is the remaining part. Wow, nice packaging. It seems like an engine. The packaging seems like an engine. And this is the main part. The motor. With remaining stands and the AC power cord. And here on the motor it's written like Philips. And the model is CX3550. So it's a 3000 series model and it's 48 watt of power. And we can see here on the top of this motor it has all the controlling panel for turn on, off, speed, increase, decrease, oscillation, timer, everything, and also Wi-Fi. And in the back of the motor there is the coolant grill. So So that's it. Now I am going to assemble it. Hopefully we will meet in another new unboxing video. Until then, bye.